In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get the Tome of Fire in Old School RuneScape. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over the general steps for you to acquire the Tome of Fire. This is a book held in place of a shield. It is going to be a possible reward from a reward card upon subduing the Winter Tot. So after you defeat this boss or mini boss, a reward card is going to appear, and there is a 1 in 1,000 chance of receiving the Tome of Fire, so it is going to be very rare. Once you get the Tome of Fire, it is going to be labeled as empty, which means that it is tradable. If it is not empty anymore, then you will not be able to trade it. When it is empty, its only function is its magic attack and magic defense equipment bonuses. It can be traded in for 250 burnt pages per tome by speaking to Ignacia, and it counts as a warm item. So to keep it simple, in short, what you will have to do is subdue Winter Tot. And after you defeat the boss, you will have a chance of 1 in 1,000 of getting it from the reward cards that appear. It requires level 50 in magic to yield, and if it is empty, it is going to be tradable right away. So go to the location where you can find Winter Tot. This is going to be a mini game style boss located in the northern tundras in Great Corunt. So after you defeat him, use the reward cards and see if you are able to acquire the Tome of Fire. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.